Emily's looking out the window. That's where he's sleeping. It's going to be trouble if he jumps off on me during the night. What are you doing? Do it again. All right. There's Laura down there digging in a suitcase. All right. All right. Oh, I see you, Goofy. Hey, Emily, tell me what we're on. Tell me what the name of this boat is. Remember the big red boat? How many pictures do I have of you like this? Laura, go with. Go, baby.
Look at the book.
Yes. Yes.
What do you want? What do you want?
Tell me what you think about this big boat.
It's real dumb.
That thing.
It's fat and ugly.
That thing. No. Tell me what you really think. You wish you were at home, or are you glad you're here?
I'm glad I'm here, but the rooms are too small.
There's our boat. Other boat. Okay, I've got to change. Patty walking. Is that how I give an advisor to tell me that I have to do a video translation? Ooh, y'all good. Yeah, pretty much good. All the palm trees.
They don't know she ain't got a diamond or anything or trying to sell her all this, Seth, you excited?
That's everybody. All right. Morning, how you on? Now where are we?
I have no idea.
You have a big head. It's a big one. That's a bigger one. A bigger one.
There's Laura getting braided up.
Excuse me.
Hey, Laura, let me see that new swimming suit. Oh, no.
Daddy, you go steal.
I don't want to. No. Show your neck.
are.
We're on a bus.
What are you going to see, do you know? Oh, well, I doubt it. Laura, I wouldn't want to see the top of your hat or anything. There's a little red boat. These are little pieces of Fort Luque, Freeport in the Bahamas. Big red boat. Zoom in a little bit. There she sits. I know, I see it. Emily's rocking and rolling on the high seas.
Jimmy's had too much wrong.
We take them on a party boat, and what do they do?
Down there. All those things on the left, they are bubbles. They are not jellyfish. Over the coral, and about 10 or 12 feet over the sand. All the flanks you see waving from side to side, they are sea feathers and sea webs. The large black ones are the sea fans. Sea fans keep the water cool. Yeah. Wow, that's a fish. Wow. Now that short mustard colored coral with the white edges is the fire coral. That's the one you should never touch. Whenever you go diving or snorkeling, it will give you a burn like a cigarette burn. Now, if you can't remember what the fire coral looks like, don't touch anything. That's the fire coral right in the front black on the white edges. Sticks and branches on the bottom, they are dead finger coral. They break away from the reef in bad weather or storm, and barely lay on the bottom until they turn into sand. That round coral with the lines running through it is the rain coral. Yeah. Now, if you're folks taking pictures, I have on the bottom. See right here, that's conch shell. Wow, there's another one. Three conch shell. Oh my God, look down there. Wow. Lots more of that dead finger coral. That's one of those like branches on the bottom. Now, whenever you go diving or snorkeling, you are not allowed to pick or break any of the coral or sea fans away from the reef. If you're found doing so, you can receive a $2,000 fine or even 6 months in prison. Coral reef is very, wow, French grunt. The little gray ones with the pink tails are the silk snappers. That's spotted along with the red belly is a stalk-like parakeet. Oh my God. Wow.
No.
Here, look at that one.
Look at that one there.
striped ones. Little gray ones with the pink tails, they are called silks. That big blue one swimming by, that is the rainbow parrotfish. Now that's the sun shining down there, folks. We don't have any lights under the boat. Yeah, that's the sunshine. Now looking into the glass constantly, sometimes it makes you a little dizzy. Maybe even...
Wow.
Lots of yourself an apple in the front glass.
Look at the left, Eddie.
Yellow corn ball. Is that a fish? Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah. Tell the trumpet fish right there, that long skinny one. He pretends to look like a flag, and then when small fish come by, he jumps on it. Lots of pretty sea bass waving from side to side. Even that water's cool. Yeah.
Look at that fish on
Some of them will be over your head. Wow. Now, the first thing you see down there with the yellow tails, those are called yellow-tailed snappers. Yellow-tailed snappers. It's everybody in. Only sometimes. But only sometimes you can catch them. When you can't catch them, they aren't good eating. Wow. Oh my God. That was kind of lots of fun. That was a very good time. Let it down, moving up, back up in the front tires, then on the left-hand side of the boat.
See the fish collector over here, but
He's a very good diver. He's a good shopping. Oh yeah, he armies the Salvation Army. Oh, look at Bob. Wow.
Would you like to walk the boat?
I like the other sheet. Don't mind along here.
boy, they're not close.
Here comes the diver. He's over on the right-hand side of the boat now. Now you can wave to the diver if you want to. You can continue. You can wave to the diver. Now, like the way, sometimes I'll have to down there, right? Okay, the dive. If you turn around over there, what we would do is go back to the dock. Then have a diver come over here and want to show you. The show must go on. Oh,
Fish brown? Yellowtail.
Got some yellowtail snapper. Some of them down there are about 2 pounds or more. They don't get up to about 10 pounds.
All right. Are you ready? Audience, if you're ready, put your hands together and give them a round of applause. Okay, here we go. Shake it from side to side. Rock it. Come on, that's nice.
Make sure you get over anyway.
Come on. Rock it from side to side. Rock it from side to side.
I have the best view on him though.
Okay, get ready, here we go. 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, till up, 6, 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, till here we go, 6, 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, till up, 6, 10, 5, 10, 10, 10, till up. They say we don't like the pace, we moving too slow. They want to cut it in. say 10, oh, say 10. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollars, say 10. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollars, say 10. 5 cents, 10 cents, dollars, say 10. 5 cents, 10 cents. When I thought they had enough and they can't stand the grind. Forget the small change. Everybody charge. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me, come on. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Give me put up them up. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Give me dollar, 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 give me dollar. Give me. Get up. For these people, give them a round of applause. Come on. All right, shake up his head. Shake up his head.
Yeah, he's got some rhythm.
Okay, here we go. 10, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, 6 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Here we go. Say 10, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, 6 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. They say we don't like the pace, we moving too slow. They want to work up the bass and raise the tempo. Say 10, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, 6 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, 6 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar, 6 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. When I thought they had enough and they can't stand the grind. Forget the small change. Everybody charge. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Come on. Oh, gee, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Give me dollar, 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 give me dollar. Give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar, give me dollar. Oh, yeah. All right, break it up, break it up. Break it. Hey, hey, hey. Cut that out. You cut. Look at these two, man. What is your what, honeymoon? Oh!
Yeah, it's on now.
Oh, you guys got it? What, Angel?
Mom.
Oh, look at you. You need drinking a Coke. Just a minute. I'm
Want me to show you a dance?
No, I did not want to see that dance.
That little baby is touching tonight. No.
I see it. Quit, Laura.
Ready?
Go, Romeo.
Come on up there.
That's what are you seeing up there?
Looks like a rock. You know what I think?
What do you think?
I think them two big rocks in the middle. They win.
I think I'm...
Wow, what are them shots for the spaceship? Wow.
Those are...
I can't. Whoa. That's a big rocket ship.
That's a space shuttle. There's a tractor.
No, not that.
Third, they have using control launches below what you see in front of us. Back in the presentation to view. So these items are already in the chair. 88 pounds you see in front of you. time faces, scorecards, countdown sequence, see on each end.
Computer supervises hundreds of events occurring over these last few minutes. We are going with all elements of the mission at this time.
This is the launch operations manager. The launch sequence is good launch. Godspeed.
And the final checks between the several key members of the crew here in the control center and the astronauts. Launch operations manager Paul Donnelly wishes the crew on the launch team's behalf good luck and Godspeed. Well, it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds. 20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence. 6.
You ready? Yeah. One.
Each crew of astronauts set up scientific equipment to run their lunar space camp. The instruments measure moon points